Yes.
I'm not.
That's okay. Oh my god, we're thrilled. It's so disgusting.
You are the grubbiest person. Yeah, I hope you're strong.
Oh my god.
You gotta do that really fast.
Dude, just throw it. Just throw it. I can't say it. It's too many.
All you gotta do is... He got stuck. Hold on, redo. Get with my phone. My phone's...